Hello Travel Bees! In today's video we're cooking a breakfast and slash snack thing, and I also want to make a hot pan. We call it, you translated hot pan, it's actually vegetables with meat, and you have garlic and onion, so it's not super hot. Okay, you have some green pepper, but I will not put all of it, it's just tingly. But it's something nice, and I will show you how it's made. Start of this show is the hot pepper. We need onion, green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper. The yellow and the red ones are more the yellow one is more meaty, let's say. This one it's more sweet, and this one it's more earthy as taste. We need the onion, we need some meat of your choice. You can make it with pork, beef, or chicken. Additionally, but I will not do it this time because I don't have it, but additionally, I made my manicure, do you like it? Additionally to this meat, you can add a bit of smoked bacon or something smokiness, and some mushrooms, also a bit of garlic, a little bit of tomato sauce, and I want to twist it a little bit with some sweet chili sauce, but just a little. So let's start. In a pan I added a little bit of olive oil, so I will just let the onion for a few minutes. So in order for my onion to actually cook and not stay crunchy, I will also add my peppers here and let them soften a little bit. Ow! Of course. Look how nice it looks. It looks really nice. But I want the peppers to be more cooked. So I can move this aside, start with the mushrooms, and then do the meat. I set aside part of the vegetables and I added the mushrooms. Just soften them a little bit. They will absorb all the liquid and the oil because mushrooms are like sponges. The mushrooms started to leave a little bit of liquid, and to soften just a little bit I will let them more, but I added also 1 clove of garlic here. The rest I will put it when I combine everything together and create the sauce. But what is mushrooms without a little bit of garlic? This is the perfect marriage couple in foods and vegetables. So garlic and mushrooms are always going very good together. So I did that just for the mushroom to take a little bit of the garlic flavor, and I will pop the lid back and let them soften a little bit more. So I took out the mushrooms also. They got a little bit caramelized, but it's fine. I added the meat. This is pork meat. I will add a pinch of salt. The meat, it's almost cooked, so I will drain all the liquid from here, and I will just add it in the pan. In a pan I added some olive oil, some hot peppers, waiting them a little bit alive. I will add now my crushed garlic. If I can do it with one hand. Okay. Stir everything. Add the meat. Little by little. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to look what I'm doing and not inside the... Now I'm adding the rest of the vegetables like so, and let them marry for a while. adding my tomato juice, whatever is left in this box of tomato juice. A little bit of this sweet chili sauce. Mix everything together. A few casualties might have happened. I just burned my hand, but it's fine. It will pass in a few days. I think, I hope, I don't know. This is the final product with all the beautiful peppers inside and the onion and the mushrooms. Now I have already heated pan. I have my eggs, some chorizo, salami and some ham, and I will do, except that this is for something else, and I will do some baked eggs and top it with some mushrooms. I added already the salami and then replenish everything else when I was left out of chorizo with some ham or lunch meat. I will add the eggs. Now I will top them with some mushrooms and then pop it in the oven until everything is baked. And I will show you the final result. So these are the eggs, baked eggs. They are well done. So this is the final result. They are not burned, look at them, they are perfect made, but outside the black parts, let's say, it's chorizo. And the chorizo gets a little bit more dark, but look at it. See? We're cooking again. I want to make some snacks like in my mini waffle maker. I want to make cheese and eggs snacks. Because, you know, after a while you get tired of eating baked eggs, fried eggs, and I don't know, mini omelets, so you want to vary a little bit the snacking. I'm trying to add more protein in my diet because it keeps you full a much longer time. So that is what I'm doing, some mini waffle omelets with 2 ingredients. Cheese and eggs. So 4 eggs, 2 bags of cheese. Cracking some eggs in. I will not add salt because usually the cheese is salty. I'm not adding other condiments, so I'm just letting everything plain, and we will see if I need something else. It calls to put a little bit of oil in your waffle, mini waffle, just to be sure that nothing will stick, but I don't want to go looking for oil, so let's see what disaster I will do. With a tablespoon, we are adding the mixture. I think a heaping tablespoon will do a patty or a mini waffle. We will see. It looks like this. I'm closing the waffle maker and we'll see what is happening. Okay, ooh, okay. Heaping the tablespoon, it's kind of too much. I already tried it and it exploded a little bit. But it overflowed. But it looks like this. You see, only 2 ingredients, cheese and eggs, and you don't need oil for it. If you let it a little bit more, it will become more crunchy. But other than that, I'm pretty content with the results. I will put. If you see, this is. I would put a little bit more, like this. And this is enough because the cheese will melt and the egg will hold everything together. And even like so, I think we will overflow. Hear it. And let's try it. It's cheesy. You don't need salt because the cheese is salty. It's just a little bit eggy, and you can use it as sandwich, as sandwich bread. You can add egg salad on top, classical sandwich, and I'm thinking of guacamole. That will be a nice addition for these. Very good, very good. I like them.